Alright, this tutorial is going to show you real quickly how to set up your environment for your assignments. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we've downloaded our files, and we're going to go to the File Explorer down here. We're going to go to Downloads, and then you should see two files. The first one you're going to click on is Create Environment.bat. We're just going to double click on this. We're going to give it a second while it runs. It's going to get stuck here for just a moment, and then it's going to very quickly close after it gets done with what it's doing. Usually doesn't take very long. See, we're downloading a couple of things to set up for our environment. This is all being done for you. Once it gets done, we're going to move on to setting up the rest of the environment. There we go. So now we're finished with the create environment.bat. We're going to go to desktop here. But before we do, we're actually going to unzip this file. So we're going to go right here. We're going to right click on it. We're going to do extract all. We're going to extract it here. Make sure that this is unchecked so you don't get confused. You're going to hit extract. We're going to grab this folder, not the zip file, but this folder. We're going to cut it from where it's at. So Control X. We're going to go to desktop. Go to Python environment. That's our new folder that was just created for us. This was all done for us. We're going to go to comments, data, variables, and operators. We're going to paste it right there. Then we're done with File Explorer for now. We're going to open up VS Code. We're going to go to File, Open Folder. We're going to make sure we're in Desktop. Then we're going to go to Python Environment, Comments, Data, Variables, and Operators, Comments in Hello World. We're going to click on it, and then click Select Folder. This should open up everything that we need. So there are several files in here. Most of them you don't have to touch. Go ahead and open up your main.py file. This is where your questions are at and where you're going to write your code. And then your quiz file right here is just one you're going to run. So everything else except for main.py you're just going to run. So what we're going to do here is there's a few more things we have to do to make sure that this is all set up. So I'm going to open up a terminal. The way that I do that in VS Code is I hit Control J, and that will open this view up so that you can see it. Then what we're going to do is, the first thing we are going to do is we're going to type CD and then the tilde, which is the character next to the 1 on your keyboard. We're going to do backslash desktop backslash Python underscore environment, like that. Hit enter. You should see a new prompt that ends in Python environment. Then what you're going to do is you're going to type .venv. This part you're going to have to do every single day. So what we're doing right now, we're going to have to do the CD to desktop. We're going to have to do this command right here. That way we can actually run our code and everything will work. So we're going to do scripts, then backslash activate. We'll hit enter. Your prompt should change and you should see this over here. If you don't, you're doing something wrong. Now what we're going to do is, now that we've activated our environment, we should be able to test what we're doing. So I'm now going to change my directory back to comments, data, variables, and operators, and then I'm going to change it one more time. CD, it's going to wrap around here. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but I'm going to change it to comments and hello world. So that last one looks like this. That was the last one that we just did, and the one before it looks like that. Okay, so we run CD tilde desktop Python environment, then we run .venv backslash scripts backslash activate, then we run CD to go back to this folder, then CD to go back to this folder, and we should be in the right spot. So now I should be able to run Python quiz like that. Looks like that's running good. I'm going to hit Control C to get out of that. And then we're going to check one more thing. I should be able to hit Python and run test. That's the other one that we're going to run. This will check your main file to see if you wrote your code correctly. And type your name. And then you will get a results page that looks like this. And it will tell you how many you got correct. So there are 7 questions. They're all incorrect because I haven't written anything. It tells you some information about why they're incorrect and then gives you a rundown once again here at the bottom. If you get them all right, they turn all green and they say passed right up here at the top. All right, that's everything you need to know to get started running your Python code for these assignments.